Texas Rangers, beginning in 1823 under Stephen F. Austin as citizen soldiers to protect settlers from Indian raids, became an official force in 1835 and protected settlers during the Revolution. Under Sam Houston, used as a protective and defense force against native raids. Under Lamar, used as an offense force against the Comanche, most notably in the Council House fight and the Battle of Plum Creek. Under Captain Jack Hayes, successfully defended Texas in 1842 from the Mexican invasion and from Indian attacks. Captain Jack Hayes. Texas Rangers, established to protect Texas from Native Americans and Mexican attacks, had to provide their own horses and equipment and had to live off the land for food. Payments were $25 to $30 a month and land grants. John Jack Coffee Hayes, best known famous Texas Ranger, leader among Rangers, paid $150 a month. So again, Captain Jack Coffee Hayes.